are two types of divorce here. Actually, we have the no fault and fault divorce. Yung no fault divorce, wala lang. Wala lang. Ayaw nyo na sa isa't isa. Pasimplihan na lang natin ng explanation. Hindi na kayo magkasundo. We call it irreconcilable differences. There is no hope for reconciliation. Yun talagang tama na. Tapos na. Ganyan. Hindi nyo na kayang makita ng isa't isa sa isang bahay. Ganyan. So you're not saying fault niya, fault ko, ng babae siya, hindi ako marunong mag-handle ng, pero walang ganon. Kaya nga it's called no fault divorce. You just simply cannot be together anymore. So yun yung no fault divorce. And yung isa naman, yung fault divorce, yun naman yung may mga grounds, like for example, adultery or abandonment. Or you are already living separately for 3 years, yun na kayo nag-uusap, ganyan. And all the others, there are 7 grounds of divorce here in Texas. Yun yung fault divorce, okay? Alma, na-confine na sa mental hospital, or syempre, paano pa kayo magsasama? You file a divorce because of that situation. Isang taon na siya sa hospital and there's no way nagagaling siya. O kaya naman,